let's explore the essential question now as a class. Is it discriminatory or justified to label deviant behavior?
Is it justified?
Is it discriminatory or
Discriminatory.
justified? What, you say discriminatory. Why, Felicia?
I feel as if, okay, so for the example, I read the
article
the article of Baco, and basically when they were talking about how the police kill more black people than they do white people when they pull them over, because in a sense they look at them as more dangerous. I feel as if that's more being discriminatory, because not every person, just because you meet them because they're black, is like aggressive or going to kill you or going to attack you. I feel as if that going into a situation, looking at the person as them being more hostile, being more likely to kill you, or being more dangerous is discriminatory.
That's a great answer. And that's an example of labeling theory. Sometimes we do label these people, certain people as deviant without acknowledging how they got to the deviant behavior. Does anybody think it's justified? Rebecca, I saw you writing. What did you have?
I said it was discriminatory, and I read the article about the ex-mental patients and how when they went back, some of their family members welcomed them, but some of them, their family members shunned them because they still said that because of their mental illness, they weren't able to still be quote-unquote normal and be functional in society. So they still kind of felt separated from their family members.
Yeah, when you guys read the Becoming X Crazy, these people that were in these mental hospitals, after they left, people still labeled them, as Rebecca said, as X, as still crazy. What do you think about that? Could you imagine spending years or months or years in a mental hospital, then you go out, right? What do you guys think about that?
It depends on what you did.
What about if you just had some type of mental illness, maybe suicidal thoughts, something like that, a mental hospital. So not necessarily a prison, but a mental hospital.
But there's a reason why you were put in there, I feel. So I feel as if like being more conscious of what the person does, or being more like basically walking on eggshells around the person. I don't feel as if there's nothing wrong with that, because they are like a little, yeah. They're more they're more like, their feelings are more easily to be hurt. So yeah, I would still keep a little bit of a distance away from them. But that's just a personal opinion.
Because you already labeled them.
Feelings. Yeah.
I think you're looking for the word sensitive.
You already labeled
Yeah,
them.
it's sensitive. Yeah.
What was that, Ruben?
The word sensitive.
Yeah.
Like sensitive, like them sensitive, or other people sensitive?
I'm sensitive.
Them sensitive. Them sensitive. Let's see. Denasia, what did you find from the article?
I think it's both, because it depends on the situation. Like in the situation of the mental hospital patients, where there were like people like kept away from that, I said it's justified, because it's like you have to understand the person to know them. So like if you know what's wrong with them, then you understand them better. But in the case of like the kids, like being in people's yards, stealing stuff from people, like children, I said it's justified, because when kids do something young and they're caught, then they feel as if it's like nothing. But like as you get older, you keep doing that, then you're gonna be discriminated against. So if you don't be discriminated against, then you don't do it again.
So that's a very interesting point. So the argument of saying it's justified is that it's more of a deterrent. When do you say that? It's more of a deterrent, so those kids won't do it again. Do you think labeling somebody is a deterrent? If you label somebody a thief, for example, do you think they would be more likely to steal? Devante, what would you say?
If they were more likely to steal if they were called a thief?
Yes.
It depends on what they steal, honestly. Because there's a lot of people who are called thieves and they still do it.
So it could and it couldn't. So Very, very good answers.
Math,